Welcome back. So, what we were doing till now was to build Rescatux, and we have written down some stuff that we need to do. Okay, so first of all, let's check the latest build to see what's going on with it. Yeah. So in here we have our build image. Let's see how it looks like. So press ask. This is number 4, Rescatux, and we're going to work with that first to see how it looks like. Because now the background should be shown properly and so on. Yeah, and the wizard is working. There's this back with the 3 seconds thing that, yeah, that we have said that maybe we want to just have a duplicated screen, but in order for that to be working, so what I actually want is qemu with 2 screens. Adding a second monitor, yeah, that's what you want to have. VGA. Try it. Several video heads. How to do that? It's written German. Spice client. Remote viewer. I mean, I'm just trying to spawn. Dual head support. Device something something. I wonder if you have 2 of them somewhere. Display known as Spice. A ver. Let's use the power of what's the fucking name? Spanish, English. Wait a minute. So I want to translate into English. Maybe I'm supposed to accept everything, and that way, yeah, this will be working. In any case, page is not in English. Yeah, that's why it was unable to translate any of this. So now, yeah, so now we have. Okay, yeah, I want to translate into English. We could have the 2 languages here, but okay, so qemu define high resolution virtual mount graphical access. Problem report from a reader. Yeah. Display model video QXL, so you can have more than one. Let's take a look and see what the hell we are using here. Secure boot BM thing. The one that we are using here, it's BioStaff 1. Where the hell are you? BioStaff 1 is here, so BioStaff 2 monitors. Yeah, let's do this like this. 2 monitors. I don't know why I'm fighting with this. Okay, so VGA VTO. Yeah, QXL. I don't want QXL. VGA virtio-1. So qemu. VGA virtio-1, virtio-2. Is it something that you can use it here? Share virtual-dix on VMs. Virtio GPU. Okay. virtio-vga backend interface. Device virtio device. Okay. Okay, so you can do device VGA. I wonder if we just can run this such a way that we have virtio2 screens. But I don't want to use Beer Manager. I just want to use whatever it is. Dual virtio SVM only display detected. So heads 2 instead of heads 1. QXL device heads 2. So it's actually this video here. So actually what you want to do is use here QXL and then say heads 2. Is it something like that what you are supposed to be doing? Okay, let's close this thing real quick and let's try to see what happens here. We say that to monitors. I have no idea. Oh, no VGA type. Yeah, because this is not VGA. This is something else. So it's a device, or what the hell is this? So model type X. Yeah. Yeah. Device VGA known and device QGL VGA. So VGA known and then device QGA VGA heads 2. Is this going to be whatever I think it is or not? Property QHA, yeah. I knew this is not going to work properly. Let's try this again just in case. I just have to remove this image. Damn it. Where the hell do I have the video? The guest virtual 2. Yeah, so there's one here. This is the spice. Maybe we can just have 2 of them and we don't have to worry too much about this. Device VGA and then another device QXL VGA and see what happens. Maybe it's not as difficult as it seems. I have no idea. Device QXL virtio must be console 0. First display device on the console. This is not a bit. So I guess. Okay, let me see if this is. Okay, this seems to work, but this is not what we want to do, because we want actually two different heads. Okay. So apparently here there's this heads one in okay, let's take a look at the video and see if there's anything. So the video, yeah, half works. Windows thinks okay, anyway. Okay, let me see. Stupid QXL heads equals 1. Model, so it's video. It's not the device. Is that what heads 1? Heads, not head, heads. Display heads 2. Oh, so, but this is not. I don't think this is the right way of doing that, because we have tried before to define heads 2 here and doesn't work. So this device thing. I mean, yeah, the fucking thing is that you don't. I don't want to do that. I want to virtio two virtio screens. Okay, so 2 virtio screens. How do you do that? qemu dual monitor. Let's go to the future. Last year. Hopefully that's good enough. Dual monitor, Windows emulator, and 2. Yeah, I don't know. Want to share how I did it? Switch monitor inputs. DCC. What the hell is this? I have a functional. What is one function to achieve? Basically, looking glass. No machine. Okay. Add the second or third screen for Windows emulator. Add 2 more video QXL devices. Huh. How do I get? Why nobody uses the fucking command here? I want command line solution. I don't want XML stuff. And the other problem that I have is that I don't know which is the I mean, if I do qemu thing, I mean, I'm going to have here a lot of stuff, but I don't think I'm going to have a specific spice protocol. Okay, virtio GGA. I mean, why wouldn't we have anything that has to cards, virtio cards, netnik? So this is network RNG, so that you have some random number generator thing. Maybe we can have a QXL and then a BGA. What BGA virtio? Don't remember a lot how this worked. Maybe we can do something like this, so that QXL is the first one, and then it goes the first display device on the command line. Yeah, that's the case. Isn't the case? I think it is the case. Damn it, here it is. So VGA virtio and BGA virtio. Is this something that could work or not? So apparently we have done here something, but I'm not very sure that this is going to work as expected. We don't have second screen. With VirtualBox it's quite easy to do, but you know, maybe it needs to detect it, maybe it is not there because you have the same stuff again. Let me just go into whatever this is. Monitor settings, virtual 1. Okay, wait a minute, virtual 2. Let's search for virtual 2. Virtual 2 qemu thing. I mean, it's like I'm always seeing the same stuff. So I want 3 displays. I don't want to modify to the qemu display. SDL, separate graphics window. Graphics card. More than this. PCA pass through. So you've got the so I wonder if it's display. Now display is where it is, and then the graphic card. Yeah, I mean VirtualBox seems to work. No, this is not. I don't want GPU stuff. I want to run 3 virtual machines. Wait a minute. Here we have the heads equals 2 somewhere, max outputs 2. Dual head support, so it's this thing here. Wait a minute, they had this the first time, and I mean there's this other display which is a spice, but here you have this thing about max outputs equal to. So maybe that's what you're supposed to be using in the first place, and that's it. So I'm not very sure about this. Max outputs to. Let's close this thing and try again. Max outputs equals 2. So number 4, max outputs 2. Not sure how this is going to look like. Yeah. So, what the hell does the monitor settings see here? Virtue-1. Stupid. Oh my god. This is too much resolution. Advanced. Whatever. Settings. No. Why? Max outputs. What the hell is this bullshit thing? Device QXL VGA. QXL VGA documentation. Spies with multiple monitors. This is the QXL staff. Info with qemu. Max outputs 1. Okay, second display. Okay, so max outputs. Let's see what this is supposed to be. Max outputs equals 1. Maybe here we have some graphic card standard. Okay. VMware virtio. Yeah. PCI. How do you use this? Display. The card type is base with minus VGA. But look at that, virtio whatever. I just need to know how the device works. Okay, so SDL enabled. Things I tried: the Spice plus QXL, space OpenGL, SDL GKT, QQI to make OpenGL work. Display SDL. Display SDL. Device virtio-vga device virtio display SDL. Maybe there is a way of setting this up as so this device stuff here so we have this other way of calling stuff that I don't know if it's React OS or which one it is. React OS 2, I think. What the hell was this? React OS 2? BIOS dev herd 2. So here we have herd 2, which I think has 3 hard disks. And the way we do this is by doing this drive. So we should be able to do device, but that's what I have done before, and nothing of interest has happened. But anyway, we can try this again. Where is my device virtio-vga? Maybe it's something that I can use. So let's forget about VGA thing, and let's see how it looks like. So let's forget about VGA. Let's do this again and see what happens if we have the same device twice. I mean, I need this like this. Assuming this exists, this virtio-vga thing exists. Let's cancel this thing and let's try this thing here. So press ask. Oh, look at that, virtio. Show tabs. Yeah, now we have this thing. This is kind of working. So let me reboot this. Press ask. Damn it. Haven't been why now doesn't work? I mean, now I think I need to reset. I need to press ask here, and this will now allow me to have why can't I? But this is an improvement before. So press ask. Press ask does not work. Now if we do it here, it doesn't work anymore. And yeah, but this is much better than everything that we have done before. So let's try to say VGA virtio and see what happens. VGA virtio and like this. Maybe that's what we are looking for. I'm not sure about that. Okay. Do we have 3 of them? Yes, we have 3 of them. So reset, press ask. Now it works because okay. So I only want 2 of them. So let me just have this thing as this. Yeah, this is the trick that you want. So let's manage to run 2 screens in qemu at the same time. So the clue, let me put this in the video, is this thing here, VGA and then virtio. And apparently this is what makes the trick possible. Then view tabs. I'm a bit confused because I'm not sure if we are going to have the same you know, the same sizes, but we will see how it goes, because I want a small one, small screen, you know what I mean. So now I can go into show tabs. I can maybe detach this tag, this tag here, so that I have something like this. Then let's see what happens if we reset here. Press ESC. Let's do number 4. Just wait for this to boot. So we have this thing here, and this should boot. What's going on here? Why don't we have any output? Okay, let me see what was the original file thing. If I open the VioStaff, which was the default one, VGA virtio, VGA virtio. And now what we have is VGA virtio and the device virtio-vga. So we should be fine, unless there's something that, oh, wait a moment, is this maybe going too slow because whatever the reason it is, display output is not active? Yeah. Oh, yeah, it goes awfully so it's the other way around. That's very interesting. Will I be able to interact with this? Yeah, so first of all, we have, that's interesting. So we have chosen the left one to boot, but then yeah, default yes, settings yes. So now what I want to do is kind of, now that we have all of this, I want to, yeah, so first of all, let's, assuming this works as I think it's going to work, let's work with the Spanish layout first of all. Okay, so we apply this thing, and let's copy this thing here. So home, and we have the user that it becomes 2 screens. What's the thing when you double stuff? It's 2 screens clone, something like that. So in theory we should be able to go here and monitor settings, and we should have here 2 fucking monitors, but it's not the case. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Is it because we need the second screen on the same device? So you actually have 2 different does this mean that we have 2 different virtual cards, I mean graphical cards, but you need something that primary display. Why is it not here? Huh. Ho ho ho. So I just reboot all of this, and then it boots on the other place somehow. Is it like that, the way this works? Why it takes so long? It's like this kind of two VGAs at the same time doesn't like it or something. Do we have any? No, we don't have. Oh my god. What's wrong with you? Display output is not active. We have already said please reboot. Maybe we want to reset here. So we reset, press ESC. We can boot from the CD-ROM, but then it looks like it takes a long. Wait a minute. Maybe I have. No, it's these two ones here. It's going to boot here, but only with one of these heads. virtio-vga. Okay, so virtio-vga is something. virtio-vga, okay, yeah. With two heads. Is there? Look at that. Multi-monitors, graphics in qemu. Head. Wait a minute. Graphics in qemu. Where's this thing here? Multiset. Device secondary VGA. ID video 2. VGA standard. Device secondary. So you have qemu want to see it. So you have this secondary VGA thing. Yeah. You should another. Max outputs 3. virtio-vga. To increase the heads count of the VM adapter by adding this update, so max outputs 3. So wait a moment. Do we have any improvements here, or it's the same thing as before? Monitor settings. Okay, max outputs 2, and then this new device. I mean, why is this so difficult to do? QXL VGA. Driver QXL VGA. Try this as virtio-vga. Free PCA root for 420. Well, Linux cat Debian I have to start device virtio-vga. Secondary VGA. yeah, display surface. Is this something, maybe something that does not work? Secondary VGA. Wait a minute. Now I'm very confused, because this seems to be a good idea, but I don't know anymore. Let's see if there's any improvement with this thing. Okay, so max outputs equals 2 is not a good idea. And then so what about having 2 of these devices? I mean, the last time I tested this, we didn't have any, we couldn't control, we couldn't press ESC on the display thing. So show tabs. So if you reboot here, I wasn't able. Okay, now I'm able to boot this. But these are 2 different devices, not one devices with two heads. So I'm not sure. The touch tab in here, and then we have this one here. It takes a lot, but the problem is that, you know, that it's not detected. The secondary VGA. I don't want a secondary VGA. I just want graphics card stop display, 2 virtual displays. Okay, multi-monitors virtio-vga and works normally on red. Steps to reproduce. Let's see how this guy does. Virtio-vga max outputs equals 2. So it's actually something that you're supposed to be doing, but not with device, but with. Okay, anyway, let's see if we have any difference to what we were doing before. I'm curious to see if for any reason here we can have more than one. No, we don't. So yeah. So let's take a look at this guy from Red Hat that has managed to work with this. So being the host and guest, refresh, newer device virtio. So it has this thing here, device virtio-vga max output 2. Yeah, maybe that's the way you do it, and that way you don't have 2 devices, you just you have one of them, and it works. Let's see if, okay, look at that. Look at that. We have more than one of this stuff. Wait. Why does this boot from hard disk so fast? What I'm doing wrong here? Slash machine not found on line 50. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's see if we have. I think we have something here that might be So we have the two virtio stuff. Okay, nice. Let's reset, press ESC, it works. Number 4, look at that. Now hopefully this is the way you do this, in such a way that you don't need two devices, you know what I mean? And we can maybe detach this one tab, I don't care which is the best one to attach. So let's have these two ones here. Oh my god, this is working at least. Okay, so we have, you can see here how this is centering stuff, because I mean it's not centering stuff, but that's what we want to fix. We want to, so actually the actual thing that you want to use is this thing here. Okay, so let me edit the video so that we have the right thing documented here. Two screens with one virtual graphics card with only one virtual at the same time, then view tabs. Okay, we have found out how the hell this was done. This is the right thing that you need to do for this to work. So let's go back to our screens and let's try to fire up. Oh my god, it works awfully slow. Hello. Oh no, it has the cursor is not going where it's supposed to be going. I wonder why that is. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now so, oh my god, the full monitor settings. Yes, you have changed the settings. Okay, so the mouse tracking thing, it's not working as expected. It's not a nice thing to use. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing wrong with any of this. Trying to understand what's going on wrong here. Oh, now I know. I was in the same place. Maybe that's no. What the hell? Why can't I have? For a second it seemed to work. Oh, look at that. Doesn't match anything. Okay, so fast options. No, I cannot see the fast options because I have no idea. I have no idea where the hell I am, so unified view, that's what I want to have here, this unified view thing. I just need to be able to click on apply and wait, happen to be there on the right. Okay, so now I'm below this apply thing. I mean, yes, it's an unified view, doesn't work very well, but that's what we want here. So look at that, unified view. Yeah, this has been changed again, because why not? This is going to work. This is my computer, isn't it? Wait, this seems to start working more or less. In any case, now what I'm interested on. Why the hell I'm clicking? I have. Okay. Well, I guess. Oh my god, it has worked. Oh, now I have to have the. Anyway, let's work. I mean, CPU unified. So we want this to be unified so that doesn't matter what you have this quick setting unified thing, and then everything works out of the box without doing anything. Monitor settings. Extended view. I'm not sure where I'm clicking. Okay, so fast menu. Extended view. Like here, I can apply why the hell can't I apply? Clicking here or something. Like this is the window, so I should be able to click apply here. So I'm not sure what's going on here, if we have this thing or not. Let me move the second screen out of here so that I can I don't know. Okay, so right now we have extended view. Let's save. So close. Let's save here. Is this safe? Okay. Anyway, are we going to be able to see anything different if in any of this? Because this is very difficult to use. I'm not sure if this is something that, you know. Output virtual1, output virtual2, width, height, mean width, length. Extended mode has been applied. X session errors. Wait. Can you save this so that we don't have to fast menu, set position, fast options, kit monitors attached? Yeah, but what I want to do actually is settings and save settings. Why don't we have this thing? It's ridiculous. Okay, so close, save. Why can't I save this? I click on save, but it doesn't work. And yeah, I mean, are there any differences here? I mean, there's the height and so on, but I mean, I'm going to change the second screen resolution which this is going to be having. Is there anything that, you know, there's accession errors, that's to be expected, but other than that, wallpaper cache. What? Xorgs clog. Okay, so monitor settings try to change stuff without asking ourselves. So this is unified view. Let's say that we want to keep, and let's wait a minute. Have we managed to be able to do this properly in the end? And we make this view bigger. Okay, this is going to be unified 5, and then we can change, we can compare. You cannot see it, I cannot see it, we know that we cannot see it, but now we don't care because we can just you know, redo the size, and we should be able to see if anything. Wait, I mean, if we manage to find out which is the fucking okay, so apparently it's in the other screen. Let me move this window somewhere else. No, I won't be able to where the hell am I? Okay. 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 Now, what's different between 4 and 5? So we have an attendant.list thing with default monitor settings has been applied. If you want to change monitor settings, please use lxqt config monitor. I will do that. Then there's this lxqt config monitor auto start.desktop. Look at that. I didn't know that this existed. So apparently you can say -L and something happens. Oh, look at that. Save settings. So date, settings, connected, current config, enable virtual primary equals true, current mode 68, rotation something. So maybe we have managed to work around this and being able, what the hell is this? So here we were always complaining about, oh, look at that, we have managed to save some settings here, and hopefully these are the default settings. In any case, those default settings, we don't know very well what the hell that is. Maybe I hate my life. Yeah, I mean, there should be yeah, so advanced settings. I want to see what happens. Yeah, let's try to minimize this thing. Minimize. Okay. Let's see if we can click on this saved settings thing. I mean, it should not be as difficult as it seems to me. What the hell is this? Is this the right place. Okay, that's why I wasn't able to. Okay, there's no way of knowing. Where the hell are you? Apply. Yeah, so this is the place where everything is not okay, but it's in a unified view, I think. But the problem with this unified view is that I don't know. Okay, I have again this window. Should I go to the right? Should I go to the left? Maybe I should move this to the right so that the right is in the right place. Maybe I should not have these settings. You know, there's this setting regarding that they are the second two screens are closed or not. So we are going to say that they are not closed. Yeah. Okay, anyway, let me maybe wait. Yeah, so there's this thing. I hate all of this. So where is supply? Oh my god, this is too way. I mean, I cannot go. So I should do something like this, isn't it? So now I can okay, so something like here. Okay, yeah, maybe this is the best way. We do it on the top and then we can go back, go down whatever it's needed. I mean, oh, because we are on the advanced settings thing that we need to close. Okay, so let's close this thing and now let me wait a minute. Where's my I have no idea where do I have the okay, here it is. Have the video. So once we have this thing, damn it, I didn't want to. System tools, preferences thing, monitor settings. I think we can just do, maybe it's just a matter of just rebooting and then everything is going to work properly. There's this option. Okay, let me see. So settings. This screen stands another display. Then position keeps monitor attached. Where the hell is this thing? Let me have the save thing. Okay. And then I can say yes. And hopefully if I do this stuff, it's going to work anyway. And yeah, we're still again with this stuff. Where's the fucking second monitor? Where? Let me move. So I don't think I have managed to do anything. Why is there Firefox here? So I have managed to open this. Yeah, so this is not fun. This is not easy to do. This is nothing. So maybe this thing here we can move to previous monitor. Yeah, but not this one, but the this one here, next monitor. Okay, thanks God. Okay, now we can copy into 6 and we can find out if there is any difference. In any case, -L, in any case, what we are going to do is, okay, so an attendant thing, actions invariant, default monitor, Firefox. Yeah, Firefox. Why do I have open Firefox? Stupid Firefox. Oh my God. Now I cannot see anything that it's worth of it. So these are the Xorg stuff, isn't it? Stupid Firefox. Let me delete Firefox stuff. I mean, it might not be difficult to do, isn't it? So it's user.config Firefox Mozilla. Is it Firefox here? Is it Mozilla here? Look at that. So let's copy this as number 7, and now we can compare number 6, 5 and 7, and maybe we can find out something that it's worth of it. So what's wrong with you? What the hell is this? Seems like XML Firefox. .cache. Oh my God, why? So apparently there's a .cache for Firefox and yeah, Mozilla. Look at this. Number 8. Let's compare again 5 and 8 without all of those cache. So unattended.list. This is the LXT to monitor thing. So connected equal true. I guess it's different or something like that. Current config. Okay, in any case, what I want to do with the monitor settings that I have on the second screen, today they work. Okay, so maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. Move to next monitor. Okay, so what I want to do is this fast menu thing. Okay. Okay, let me find out where the hell we are. Fast menu. Unified view. And they are okay, yes. And I also want to save them. Yes. And once they are saved, I don't care. I just do like this. Yeah, I just do like this, and I can make another copy. Okay, let's just move this. So this is number 9, and now we should be able to compare 8 and 9, if I'm not mistaken. Unattended.list. Yeah, I don't care about that. So LXQT monitor, save settings 3. So we have a third settings here, which is the current mode is 68 for number 1, and the current mode is 68 for number 2. And concurrent config. So apparently you have those settings for having 2 of these monitors, but there's no a way of setting up default. I don't like this. So in theory we should be able to have, so this is Control T. How do you make a new terminal here? Yeah, let me use the other screen and let's see how we do this. So move to the next. Yeah, doesn't matter. So I just want another tab, if I can have it. Maybe there's a way of. Okay, I think we can manage to. Oh my god. We should have the. Why does this move so much? It shouldn't move so much. So I just want to get to the fucking, you know. Oh, here it is, at least. At least. Now I want to do file. Wait. Yeah, I need to move this to the right, otherwise it's not going to be anything useful at all. So help. Okay, finally. New tab. So Control Shift T. LXQT config monitor, something like that. Okay. Help. Stupid. Load last settings. That's what the auto. That's what the auto. I mean the auto start did. It just. It's just you know, it just load the last settings. Wait a minute. Xrand. How the hell do you have xrand to make? Maybe that's the right way of doing all of this. So you've got xrand r to clone screens. How do you do that? Duplicate clone monitors. Duplicate monitors script. That's yeah, that's what I want to do. Same as, oh no, I mean, I don't want to do this manually. Oh, look at that resolution. I mean, why resolution? Why would you have a resolution in the first place? Okay, ARAN arrange. Maybe ARR is the thing you want to do. Accent plus useful screens. Primary mode, the actual setup. Make it the change persistent. Yeah, but I don't want to have any resolution. Configure dual monitors. So HDMI. Oh my god. Modes 4. Default. Yeah, but I don't want. What about this thing called ARAND R? Is it like that? Yeah. The question is, can we use this in automatic manner using the similar projects? I mean, I don't want to install K-Screen for this. I just want to, you know, full control. I wonder, maybe Debian ARAND R thing. Yeah. Can never have enough monitors. Okay. Let's try this thing and let's see how it goes. I mean, if it helps us, we're going to use this thing and that's it, because I don't want to fight so much so that we have a clone screen by default. You know what I mean? So is this something that, oh, look at that. I mean, now if we manage for this to work, so I need to find out the, what the hell is this? So yeah, that's a very good question. Why do I want to why would I want to do this smaller, bigger, or whatever? I just want to see save as properties. Oh. Is there any, you know, script or something so that, because right now it's kind of, duplicate this thing. Yeah, close. My question is there a way of saving this thing? So virtual1 active primary resolution orientation. Active and primary resolution and orientation. But I don't see that you can say clone. So I don't. This is very nice and all of that, but this is not what I'm looking for. This is not what I'm looking for. So let's just close this thing. Like one of these days, this is going to work. Okay. So arand r is not good enough. So what the hell? lxqt duplicate the screen by default. What the hell do you use that? How do I say duplicate display as default, not in Windows? Duplicate lxqt duplicate display default. Dual monitor keeps back to second screen, whatever. My monitor settings are not being loaded. Ubuntu multiple display. Yeah. I mean, there wasn't a script that duplicated. We haven't explored that. Now we are exploring programs. You know what I mean? Second taskbar. I don't care. Second monitor. Added above. Are the settings working right now? Output HTM0. I have a guess that each time a bot doesn't remember, and I have this thing. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I have a new computer. The old computer is going to the trash and closing this issue. Oh my god. It seems that the two monitors are safe as both primary true. Any idea or helps? What the hell is lxqt config? libk screen. It's primary set primary. Now these are it's primary set primary to 2023. It seems we are the only users of libk screen. Invalid key. Apologize. Yeah, I just want, I mean, if I can do this with xrand r with a script, I don't care, but you know, primary displays is always on for all displays. Okay, so LXQT panel placement with multi-monitor. Yeah, try it, but they're going to do. Yeah. LXQT is not responding my monitors. Oh my god. General config monitor.conf. I mean, I just want to have byte array. Ubuntu multi-display. Yeah. Active. This is a rand R, isn't it? This bullshit. How to duplicate. First find out the name. Little screenshot. This is what I want to do. Now this is going to be difficult to do because Firefox. Okay, Firefox. I don't care if it's Firefox. Seriously? Okay. Stack Exchange. How to duplicate where is this? Duplicate desktop in Linux with xrand R. So probably you need to go a bit up. Oh my god, why there's this cookies thing out of the way? Okay. No. Confirm my choices. I don't care. Just. Can I do like this? No, I cannot. Wasn't there a button somewhere when you hover over this? I mean, it's difficult. Hello. Okay. I mean, it might be much better to just now I cannot copy. Yes, I can. Oh my god. Will I be able to paste this in a further path without losing my mind? Close tab. Save the current tab. Wait. Yeah, paste. Okay. Now let's open a let's work with the terminal thing. Where's the terminal? Here. What happens if I paste this thing? Let me check the other monitor and see. Yeah, this seems like something. So my problem is how do you do this without a mode? Because I don't want any mode, I just want. So what happens if I remove resolution from here? Look at that, they have managed to use. Okay. What happens if I remove the mode resolution? Let's suppose that this is smaller and it does its thing. Okay. Let's try. I hate all of this. Yeah, let's minimize so that I don't have this thing here. If this is this, I should be able to move. Okay, so now we have different resolution. Does this work more or less? I mean, I have no idea if this is a good idea. I mean, let's reset all of this now that we have this script, and hopefully now it will know how to deal. At least we're not going to move anything. At least hopefully this will be good enough for in order to find where the hell is everything, because it's very difficult to work out if the mouse doesn't match the screen thing, which happens all of the time. Okay, so we have this stupid thing. Oh. Are we still again with this piece of shit? Why? Okay, let's take a look at what this guy is trying to do with the duplicate thing script that it has. Don't worry about it. You've got all of these to do. Rotate normal. X-rand. Mode resolution. Rotate normal. Mirror. Stupid thing. Clone monitors. I just want to clone the monitors. It shouldn't be as difficult as it seems here. Bash XC. Maybe we can try this thing here and where's the fucking oh yeah, it was to wait a minute. Maybe is this show tabs stuff that it's messing around, and that's the only thing that okay. What the hell? Do you think I'm down there or something? Let me quit altogether. Let's just start from scratch and see if this works any better now that we know what we are doing with all of this. So press ESC. Now I have forgotten. So press ESC. Let's do number 4. Let's boot. And don't I mean, we have this 2 displays, but we don't care too much. You know what I mean? It's just we don't care too much about the 2 displays stuff. Look at that. And so, oh, look at that, it matches perfectly. So you go here. Wait, don't we actually have okay, so you need to go there so that so that it's actually detected, and then this does not work as expected because I don't know what's going on in all of this. I wonder if it's a problem of Linux, not a problem of Virtio, but as I know that with VirtualBox it works rather well, so I'm not sure about that. So you actually have to take a look at the screen so that it gets turned on. That's interesting. Okay, so apparently we don't have let's see, I want to find the stack. Let's change how to duplicate desktop in Linux X rand R. I mean, I'm trying to use X rand R because everything else is failing. Okay, so where's the fucking script that more or less okay. I don't want to log out here. Damn it. Wait a minute. If this is the here, I have to go quite a stupid way of telling me what to do. I hate all of this. Okay, so I should be able to do like this, and hopefully I don't depress while doing this. Yeah, that's true. Look at that. Look at that. So I close this thing here, I turn this on again, okay, press ask number 4, and let's go boot here. Let's boot here. Let's boot here, and we will do something that it's very nice. I remember that I had kind of script so that I could enter on the live CD with SSH so that it was easier, or maybe it was BNC, I have no idea. So now this is working properly, and that's what we want to do. We want this to work properly. So stack exchange, duplicate desktop, Linux. I know it's not written properly, but we believe in the almighty Google for this to work as expected, so there's no need to. So this is the fucking script that we want to copy and paste. There's still this, we don't want that. So we've got further paths so that we can paste this, and then x arcs and 1. What the hell? Paste clipboard. Now I want to just push this into echo. Okay. And what's the rest of it? It's x rand output 0. Mode resolution. So output 0. It's fucking everything that it gets past here. So in theory, what this guy is doing is xrand output virtual 1, virtual 2, and let's not do any pause, let's not do any resolution, then rotate normal. But this is done, not yet, but now that I click here or whatever, you can see how now this has detected some stuff. This is not cloned because this is in the middle. Now let's try to run this thing and see if there's any change. Okay, let's see what echo returns us. Arcs -1. What the hell is this -n? I mean, I understand what is xarc, but the command line for command is built up until it reaches the system defined limit, unless the n and -l options. What is this? -l. Use at most max arcs arguments per command line. Fewer than max arguments will be used if the size. Okay. I want to understand what this command does, because this has this thing. So if I echo this thing like A, you can see how it's run twice, and if I don't have -n, it's rather usual echo. So this is run twice. So actually what this is doing, I mean, the thing that we want to do, because it had a problem. The thing that we want to do is this thing and then virtual2 also. So we want this thing done, which I have no idea if it has changed anything here. No, it has not. And then we want this to be virtual2 also. And now the second one is exactly the same thing. So we can use this thing without the we can use this thing without the resolution thing, and hopefully it will be good enough. However, let's try to view the to detach this tab so that I have a different window. So I'm going to make the window not so big as the other one, and now if I'm lucky enough to be able to move stuff around, I will be able to show you what the hell are we supposed to be doing here, because here we have the other screen, but I don't know what to do with this. I hate all of this. I just want to run the comments again and see if it fixes anything. But in order to do so, I need to understand where the hell I am. I'm not sure what I have opened. So I am on. Okay. Maybe I have managed to do something. Okay, look at that. Here I have the two comments. Let me move. I don't want to move this. Okay, you can see this is one screen which has all of this, and it's small, and the background is the other screen. Let's move this stuff. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Damn it. P values to be possible. Okay. So let's see what happens with virtual1 once we run this command. No difference. I don't know which one hasn't changed, but no difference. What about virtual2? Now virtual2, it has been changed, and so we have something that doesn't have anything that it's useful for us to use, because so this is not the right way of doing this unless you specify a resolution, and then so maybe you are supposed to have a resolution in that way. Mode. So the resolution was, let's do a mode with 1020. I mean, it's like a minimum. 1000. This is like a minimum, and also number 2 is like a minimum. Okay, so where's the other one? So one of them, and this is the second one. Oh, look at that, it works. So we just need to use this fucking resolution, and then you just if you do this resolution Okay, so let me write this down. What the hell do you have to do? Okay. Yeah, so it's exactly the same thing, but resolution is actually this one here. So this will effectively clone the two monitors with maybe 30 seconds till you are allowed to cancel this thing. Yeah, how do you do a countdown with sanity? That's very good question. Sanity countdown. Countdown. Is this something that we can do? Simple timer using sanity. Okay. Oh my god. Progress. File open for 5 minutes. Auto close. What? What the hell? Increased factor. Percentage auto close. Sanity program open for 5 minutes. File access closed before timeout. File access timeout. Okay. This might be useful, but I need to test it because I don't care. Yeah. So this might be it. So you have an okay, let's start again. But now I know that there's no need to activate the second screen, so I am okay. So press ask. This is number 4. Let's go in. But the thing is that the second screen is actually something if you don't click on it, it doesn't appear, but if you are in an actual sim, it probably works well. Full wizard. No, wait. Now this is going to explode. Yeah, that's right. This explodes. Yeah, because I haven't waited for 3 seconds. So my concern is file open for 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I want to test this timer thing. Very curious how it works. Simple timer using sanity. Okay, so roll, just copy and paste, and then, you know, further path, paste, save as sanity timer .ash, keyboard and mouse. Spanish Windows. Okay, so now we have this sanity timer that we can run, and enter directory to be unlocked. hello. I have no idea. What the hell is this? File access closed before. What the hell? Okay. Hello. So we have a directory which is hello. Now it exists. File access timeout. Yes, because sleep. What the hell is this piece of shit that doesn't work? Directory to be unlocked. While counter this thing sleep increase factor unit. To time 5 minutes. I don't know, it's like this increase factor unit thing that is defined here based on the time, which is 5. It's it should be done here and not there, because otherwise how are you supposed to do this? Yeah, let's just move this thing in here. Let's see if it's any better. Must be run as root. No, it does not need to be run as root. Why would I do that? Okay, let's suppose it's hello. File access timeout. I hate this. I mean, yes, there's sudo, but increase factor unit. Do we have BC here? Oh, that's why it doesn't work, because we don't have BC. You don't tell me what requirements you have. I cannot discover them. Hello. Okay, so file opened, open for 5 minutes. So look at that, it gets progress 5 minutes, percentage 0, and I guess the percentage is here with this counter here, which is increased factor. So 5 minutes. Okay, so this 5 minutes I divide by 100, and then you've got whatever 100 is minutes, and then you do this. So we have this 5 minutes, so I can cancel this, and you're going to say file access closed before timeout, and then you do exactly the same thing, but you can open this again. I mean, I don't know why is this twice, but what I understand here is that you can take the how to close. You can take this thing, which is the previous command, and then decide if it has been closed before the timeout or not. Yeah, that's what we have to do. But this is very I mean, yeah, okay, we have managed to see how it works, and there's a timer here. Maybe this it's a bit better. Let's record it later on. Blink status bar start. Parents construct to subshell that build. Move sanity to the current workspace, always on top. Oh, look at that. So that when it ends to do what it needs to be done. Yeah, so percentage auto kill or auto close. Blink a status bar. Yeah, I mean, relocate sanity to the first workspace. I mean, I don't care about that. Yeah. I mean, we have to use this thing. Okay, for the timer, we can use this thing here. So, yeah. I mean, that's you know. So basically, what you want to be doing is this thing here, with increase factor being in the first place, and so add BC as a package. This is very important. And then this thing needs to be on the top, because sometimes someone just forget about it. I mean, otherwise increase factor here, you don't have any of that. And then yes, we can maybe make sure that we don't have this thing here. Okay. So this is bash, okay. And that's it. And yeah, I mean, this is twice? No. We don't care about this. Just this thing here, and then you can say this is like dialog open, and this is closed before timeout, and this is timed out. Do something. Okay, this is what we want to do. We actually want to have this thing that will clone monitors. So it's like press cancel button if you can see if your monitors are okay. That's it. That's what we want to press cancel button if your monitors are okay. That's what we want to do. That's the only thing that we want to do. Then do the rest of it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. Look at that. There was someone that entered the. I mean, not. I'm not sure when, but. Send this Debian CD. Any other torrents? Amazing. Let's see this thing about Debian CD, which is quite strange. Hopefully it doesn't matter too much. There's someone that sits Debian CDs have some traffic from this ASAN. Yeah. Oh, how many images do we have here? That's interesting. Yeah. Bullseye. Oh, look at that. So Respo Bullseye. So is it this one, the one that Garuda Iplan sent? Setting verified. Garuda. Okay. Look at that. So I thought he was sitting with FTP or something like that, but this is BitTorrent. Okay. This is all for today. We have managed to see how the hell we are going to do the clone monitors thing. In the other video we have managed to make the startup without to work, and we have also decided that all of this has to be renamed, but there's this bug related to how to center stuff, that it's related on how you clone the monitors and so on, and I want to do this thing here so that you have this stupid mode and then you change resolution to whatever you want. You know what I mean? So let's close this thing and let's call it a day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.